Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will see one HTML page where whatever we have discussed so far about the variables, so everything will be in one HTML and one JavaScript file. So what you can do, there will be a project folder. Under that project folder, there is a file script.js. So this you can try by yourself. This will be similar kind of activity, whatever I was showing you so far. So what you need to do, you need to create one JS folder, which you have already created, and create a script.js file. And this script.js file, you need to include it into your HTML page. Now, what I'm doing here, I'm giving some examples of primitive data types, reference data types, and class type, etc. So in the primitive data type, I'm creating one function and I named it show primitive types. Here, I'm declaring one variable which is city equals to New York. I'm using let, which is temperature 28.5. I'm using constant is raining false. And all these values I'm printing it here. So console.log in double quotes, whatever you want to print as it is, that string you can put it into double quotes, comma, and what value you want to print, like city, temperature, and is raining. In the reference type, I'm creating one user object, which is having name and age. And there is one array. And in that array, we are having hobbies. And these are the hobbies. So I want to print uh, the user, which is having name and age, and its hobbies, which is basically this. And if you want to call greet uh, user, so greet user is a function which I have defined here, and it is I'm passing this data type, which is user type. So I'm passing u. So u is basically get replaced with user and u dot name. So this kind of activity we will see in the functions, how you can pass the parameters. Now this is object-oriented approach. So I'm defining one vehicle class where I'm defining brand and model. This dot brand equals to brand. This dot model equals to model. And I'm just printing the brand and model name. Now here I'm declaring a variable, which is my vehicle equals to new vehicle, and I'm passing the value of brand and its model. So Tesla and model S. So when you call this get full function, so what it will do, it will basically call this method and it will print the brand name and the model name. So this is a variable which is let and where variable. And here I'm saying let variable, which is scoped let. I'm blocked variable, and it is saying I'm function scoped variable. And to call these methods, you are basically just calling these functions uh, in any order, but I have just executed the order the way I have defined it. So this program you can try by yourself, and you can let me know if you have any trouble to execute this code. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture.